Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access YouTube Studio subtitles on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio. We can physically type everything and then click a couple of times, or go to the toolbar, to the shortcut YouTube Studio. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation bar where it says dashboard, videos, playlist, analytics, comments, and subtitles is what we want. Click on this and then we're able to add subtitles for all different languages across the world. And then we can confirm we can do this for multiple videos depending on how many videos you have in your video manager. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.